Bleeding can occur either as a result of an injury or natural causes. Haemaphilia patients can, however, easily bleed to death due to the absence of factor 8 and factor 9 in their blood.
And so most of the time we have to replace it. And these things, either you get them from blood or you get them the one that is already prepared. And for a place like this where blood transfusion is very, very rudimentary, getting the factors is a major challenge.
12-year-old David Aramu's deformity is neither from polio nor any accident. He is a haemophilia patient, and what you see is just one of the effects of the disease. 8-year-old Chris is another haemophilia patient, and what you see around his waist is internal bleeding.
The major problem is when a child bleeds into the brain, or children that bleed into their joints, which is very common, and they find out that over time the joints become stiff and deformed, and they are not able to walk, or they walk with some disability.
Just like in the case of sickle cell anemia, where genotype plays a key role, in the case of haemophilia, it is the chromosomes of the couple.
Most females are just carrier. They just carry because they have two X chromosomes. One can be deficient and one cannot produce the normal factor. But for a man that has just X and Y, the X is already having a problem, so he cannot produce those factors. So the disease is prevalent in males as compared to females.
Management and treatment of haemophilia is quite expensive. Injection or drug?
It's an injection. The 1,000 unit goes to about 200,000. So for a patient to be treated with this factor, for a single dose, he needs about 200 to 300,000, just a single dose.
They need to assist us and send the factors to us because most of us are in pain, serious pain. Now my shoulders is paining me and my leg for now. I'm having serious pain in my leg. So they need to assist us and help us get the factor before we all die.
Statistics show that there are 400,000 haemophilia patients in the world, with cases occurring mostly among the whites. In Abuja, Rabi Abdullah, NTA News.